I'm usually very good with names, but I'll be damned if I haven't forgotten yours.
You stole my cab.
I never did introduce myself. Del Griffith, Director of Sales, Shower Curtain Ring Division. Best in the world.
You know, everything is not an anecdote. You have to discriminate. You choose things that are funny or mildly amusing or interesting.
Why are you holding my hand? Where's your other hand? Between two pillows. Those aren't pillows.
Train don't run out of Wichita. Unless you're a hog or a cattle.
You're going the wrong way!
What? Why?
Somehow your Diners Club card wound up in my wallet, and I just...
You stole it!
Not exactly.
You stole
No,
my
I swear
card!
on my life I
I knew
didn't.
you stole it!
I did not
You
steal
stole
your
my
card!
And then you
I
rented a
didn't.
car, and then you burned it up!
I did not!
I have, diners, Visa, and a gasoline card.
What the hell are you driving here?
We had a small fire last night, but we caught it in the nick of time.
You have any idea how fast you were going?
Funnily enough, I was just talking to my friend about that. Our speedometer's melted, and as a result, it's very hard to say with any degree of accuracy exactly how fast we were going.
It's been a hell of a trip.
Sure has.
But after all is said and done, you did get me home, and I really appreciate
Hey,
it.
next time, let's go first class, all right?
Oh.
Hi, kiddo.
Hello, Mrs. Page.